Are you looking to give your Discord account a fresh new look? Changing your name on Discord is a simple process, especially with the new update. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to update your username quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to discordapp.com. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. Next, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll find a settings gear icon right next to your user picture and username. Click on that gear icon to access your account settings. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the option that says Edit. This will be located next to your current username and profile picture. Click on Edit to open up the editing interface. Now you'll see your current username highlighted. Click on it, and this will allow you to enter a new name. Type in the username you want to use. Remember, this is how you'll be identified by your friends and fellow gamers, so choose something that represents you. After you've entered your new name, don't forget to click the Save button. This step is crucial, as it finalizes your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your name on Discord using the new update. It's that easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy chatting!